We've got you covered with some tried and true home remedies that'll have you feeling like yourself again in no time. Honey is known for its soothing properties, while lemon is rich in vitamin C, which boosts the immune system. Mixing honey and lemon in warm water creates a comforting drink that helps relieve cough and congestion. The honey coats the throat, reducing irritation, while the lemon provides a refreshing burst of vitamin C. Ginger has natural anti-inflammatory and antiviral properties that can help alleviate symptoms of coughs and colds. Simply steep freshly grated ginger in hot water to make a soothing tea. Ginger tea can help soothe a sore throat, reduce coughing, and ease congestion. Inhaling steam is a simple yet effective way to relieve congestion and loosen mucus in the chest and nasal passages. Boil water in a pot, then remove it from the heat and lean over the pot with a towel draped over your head to trap the steam. Breathe deeply for 5-10 minutes to help clear your airways and alleviate cough and cold symptoms. Garlic is a potent natural remedy with antimicrobial properties that can help fight off infections. Consuming raw garlic or adding it to your meals can boost your immune system and shorten the duration of a cold. For a soothing cough remedy, you can also make garlic tea by steeping crushed garlic cloves in hot water. Gargling with salt water can help reduce throat inflammation and alleviate cough symptoms. Mix half a teaspoon of salt in a glass of warm water and gargle the solution for 15-30 seconds before spitting it out. Repeat several times a day to soothe a sore throat and reduce coughing. Eucalyptus oil contains compounds called cineol that have decongestant and expectorant properties, making it an effective remedy for coughs and colds. Add a few drops of eucalyptus oil to a bowl of hot water and inhale the steam, or dilute the oil with a carrier oil and apply it topically to the chest to help relieve congestion. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that can help boost the immune system and reduce inflammation in the respiratory tract. Drinking warm milk mixed with turmeric and a pinch of black pepper can help alleviate cough and cold symptoms and promote restful sleep. Apple cider vinegar has antimicrobial properties that can help kill bacteria and viruses responsible for coughs and colds. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with warm water and honey to taste. Then drink the solution to soothe a sore throat and alleviate coughing. B-roll change apple cider vinegar can also aid in digestion by increasing the acidity in the stomach, which can help break down food and improve overall digestion. Some people even use apple cider vinegar as a natural remedy for heartburn and indigestion. B-roll change. In addition to its health benefits, apple cider vinegar can also be used as a natural household cleaner. Its acidic properties make it effective in killing germs and bacteria on surfaces, making it a great eco-friendly alternative to chemical cleaners. Chicken soup has been a go-to remedy for colds for generations, and for good reason. It's hydrating, nutritious, and can help alleviate congestion and inflammation in the respiratory tract. The warm broth soothes the throat, while the vegetables and chicken provide essential nutrients to support the immune system. Spicy foods containing ingredients like chili peppers, garlic, and onions can help clear nasal congestion and promote mucus drainage, making them effective remedies for coughs and colds. Enjoying a spicy curry or adding hot sauce to your meals can provide temporary relief from cold symptoms and help you breathe more easily. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and press the bell.